So for me, I have 2 ads per hour, and I've pretty consistently gotten 2 ads per hour. If you want to earn a little bit more, you can do 5 ads per hour. What is up, Hash Nation? Today we are talking about Brave Browser again, and we are talking about 5 of the coolest tips that I have for you to get the most out of your Brave Browser experience. Without further ado, let's hash it out. All right, guys, tip number 1, this is one I've been asked about quite a lot, and that is how to enable dark mode on your Brave browser. Now, you can do this. All you have to do is go up to the menu bar, select Settings, and then scroll down to the Appearance tab. You can click this button or scroll down, and here you'll see Same as Windows. If you're on Mac, it'll say Same as OS X, I believe. And if you have dark mode set on OS X, it will inherit that from the OS. However, you can also click this drop down, select dark mode, and there you have it. You have dark mode on Brave browser. You can also turn on the ability to have a home button in the same position as Chrome if that is something that you're into. Furthermore, if you want more customizable themes, you can go into the Chrome theme store and it will allow you to implement any of these themes that you want, just like in Chrome. It is exactly the same. You can click undo if you don't like it. Boom, that's tip number 1, but you got 2 bonus tips in there. So if you want to get to Brave ads and you want to enable ads, start making money while using ads, you can go over to reward settings from this basic attention token button here. Click rewards settings, and then make sure this ads section is turned on. If it's off, you're going to see this little placeholder. If you turn it on, you're going to see your notifications that you've received. Go into settings and you can tell it the frequency of ads that you want. So for me, I have 2 ads per hour, and I've pretty consistently gotten 2 ads per hour. If you want to earn a little bit more, you can do 5 ads per hour. And what will happen is ads will pop up in the native notifications for your local environment, and it will pop up in a very non-intrusive way and tell you, hey, this advertisement's here for you. You can go ahead and click it and go to the website, and then you will earn basic attention token to get your overall payout. And moving right along, if you want to import your bookmarks from Chrome or another browser into Brave, here's how you do it. So if you want to go from Chrome, all you have to do is go over to Google Chrome, go to Bookmark Manager, then up here in this menu tab, click Export Bookmarks. If you're going to export your bookmarks, it'll convert to an HTML. You can then go ahead and drop that onto your desktop, for example. Then go back over to Brave, go to the menu button, go to Bookmarks, import bookmarks and settings, select bookmarks HTML file, and then go straight to that file that you had before that you dropped onto your desktop. Open that and boom, you can see all of your bookmarks moved from Google Chrome over to Brave browser, just like you would have wanted. And again, moving right along, you can go ahead and you can set up sync to sync your Brave browser across your devices. It's very simple. You can go ahead and add a device. You click phone or tablet or computer, and then you go into your app and you click sync on that one, and then you scan this QR code and you're done. It's worked like a charm for me. I've heard some people have had a couple of issues, but this is a feature that is continuously getting upgraded and it's well worth using. And finally, the 5th and final tip that I have for you today is social media blocking. This allows you to block the single sign-on for Google and Facebook, so if websites have that, it's going to block it completely. And beyond that is going to block embedded posts. Now, as some of you guys know, tweets are used as advertisements all the time now. Tweets are popping up all over the place. Different posts from Facebook are popping up all over the place. If you disable all of these things, if you go to any website, there's Google login, Facebook login, embedded posts from LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, they're gone. And again, that's going to, just like ads, save you overall data usage because you're not going to be downloading all that extra content. But beyond that, it is going to have a marginal effect on your battery life because you're not going to have to download those things and have them continuously running as scripts. Now, if you want to run battery saver mode, that's what I call it at least. Let's just say you go to ESPN.com and you see all this stuff that's happening on the screen. This is a very JavaScript rich website, and you feel like, hey, I don't need to see any of this, I just want to read an article. You just click block scripts. From there, you can go ahead and jump you can read the article, and all of those excess scripts and things that are running in the background to make this website very responsive and all the videos to work and everything, those things are going to stop, and that's going to save you battery life on whatever device you are using. Great for laptops and mobile phones alike. And if you wanted to watch that video, turn those scripts back on, it will refresh, and then you can watch the video just like normal. So guys, that was actually probably 7, 8, maybe 9 tips, but I really just love Brave Browser, and I hope that you'll be willing to give it a try. If you haven't already, you can find a link to Brave Browser down in the description or a pinned comment below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and don't forget to check out more of my content linked here and here. Thank you very much.